I chose UBC because it was recommended by PLD Facebook group members. At the time, I was already using manual mode most of the time, but when I needed to do something quickly, I would often switch to auto. I had no problem buying an online course and feel more confident in my photography now. My light bulb moment was finally understanding how everything flows together and why. This came about at about week 3. The other thing that I really found that I learned from this course was about focal length and how this was a composition tool and not just about the distance from the subject. The course was great fun to complete and with some challenges, but well worth it and very good value. Cheers, Mike.